morning, students. I am Niranjan Das, Acharya Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir Kabirpur Jaspur. Welcome to you to my English grammar class. Well, students, today we shall discuss on the activities of the non-finite verb forms. In the previous class we discussed about the non-finite verb forms, and particularly today let's do some activities based on non-finite verb forms. Non-finite verb forms activities. Activity activity to first, students, activity 2, break the following sentences into two simple sentences each. So you see, students, there are some sentences in the activity 2 and we have to break them into two different simple sentences. You see, first, I want my friend to get the medal. I want my friend to get the medal. We have to break into two different simple sentences. My friend should get the medal. First, I want him to do so. My friend should get the medal. I want him to do so. So, if you combine them into one sentence, that will be I want my friend to get the medal, right? B, she helped me do the exercise. The answer will be she helped me one, I did the exercise. I did the exercise. Okay. She helped me. I did the exercise. So she. I hate telling lies. I hate telling lies. So telling lies is a sin. I hate it. I hate it. एगला दिटा वाक्य हेगला. टेलिंग लाइज इज ए सिन माने मिछ कहबाडा गोटे पाप. आई हेट इट. मोडा घृणा करे. ता माने हम तो भांगी दे जोड़ी दबा मिछ कहबा को घृणा करे. ठीक अछि. डी, I expect to write a story by tomorrow. I expect to write a story by tomorrow. I shall write a story by tomorrow. I expect it. मोटे ऐसे काल लिखिबी मोटे आशा करूँ तो भांगी देबा हमें. I shall write a story by tomorrow. I expect it. Okay. So E, I expect you to write a story by tomorrow. Then E, you will write a story by tomorrow. I expect you. I expect it. I expect it. Okay. Our teacher made us write the story. If our teacher एमती करते we wrote the story. One second, our teacher made us do it. Amen. Our teacher made us do it. We wrote this story. Right? So this is activity 2. Then come to activity 3. Activity 3. So write what are the functions of the non-finite verbs clauses in the following sentences. You see, students, you have taught in the previous class the various functions of the non-finite verb forms, right? So we have to write the functions. What functions the non-finite verb forms make in these sentences. First, she plans to buy some presents for her sister. So you know, friends, non-finite verb forms does the function of a subject, an object of the verb, complement of the verb, and then also an adjunct, right? So in the first sentence, she plans to buy some presents for her sister. She plans to buy. So which is the non-finite verb here? To buy. So here to buy comes as the object of the verb plans, right? So first the answer खाली मु लिखि दोछ पिले माने a रो functions as the object, B, don't allow others to get into the room. Don't allow others to get into the room. So don't allow others to get the non-finite form, and it also comes in the object position as the object. Third, he killed a snake to save the child. He killed a snake is a complete sentence. To save the child, it is the additional part. So then to save the non-finite verb comes in the additional part, that is the adjunct position, right? As adjunct. D, I heard her sing a song. I heard her sing a song. I heard her. So here this verb is not completed. So what completes the meaning of the verb? That is sing, which is the non-finite form. So that is complement. As the complement. E, to find fault with others is easy. To find fault with others is easy. To find the non-finite form, and it is in the subject position. Okay. If one asks what is easy, the answer will be to find fault. बुझिपारछ पिला माने जो टू फाइंड ता नॉन फाइनाइट फॉर्म ता को पोजीशन रहजी तार फंक्शन ता कोन होची ना ओटा सब्जेक्ट पोजीशन रहजी ता एट द सब्जेक्ट if he is to go abroad next month, he is to go, he is the main verb and to go is the non-finite form, that is in the complement position. As the complement. This is our activity. See students, then let's see the activity 4. Complete the following sentences by adding a non-finite clause using the words given in brackets. So we have some clues given in the brackets and we have to complete the sentence. Activity 4. A. They made dash. हम गोटे कंप्लीट करियर अछि हम कोन दिया अछि हिंट्स वाक्य रे ब्रैकेट अछि आई डू इट so you know students, we have to complete the sentence by using a noun phrase, so with the help of a noun phrase and with the help of the non-finite form. You see, they made dash I do it. So I to object कौन me है, so they made me do it. The answer, they made me do it. कारण हम जानते जो make परे where infinitive यूज करा दिबो make for टा केवल 2 plus infinitive लागेनी, so it is followed by always 5 plus verb, that is where infinitive. Second, the gardener won't let dash. हम देछि clues. They toss the flowers. They रू कौन कौन करिबा them करिबा, तो gardener won't let them toss the flowers. ले आंसर कले मु लिख दोछि, the gardener won't let them toss the flowers. Right? See, third, we heard dash the beggar curse the rude boy. ब्रैकेट देछि कोन the beggar curse the rude boy. हमें तार हेल्प नहीं करी ये वाक्य को कंप्लीट करिबा, ठीक अछि पिला माने. We heard the beggar, we heard the beggar curse the rude boy. So you see, we heard the beggar curse. मेरा बेयर इंफिनिटी काहे की करले, कारण होची से हम कहितली जो गत वीडियो रे पिला माने जे बेयर इंफिनिटी में कोड यूज करबा ना जते बेले एक्शन टा कंप्लीट हे दिबो, राइट. इनकम्प्लीट एक्शन थिले आईएनजी फॉर्म करथिले, तनो बेगर दुष्ट पिलाटी को गाली देबारे हम सुनिले गाली देथिले. So we heard the beggar curse the rude boy, right. Then D, the clerk does not allow dash. Option देइछ हम ब्रैकेट anyone see the files. So the clerk does not allow others anyone to see the file. हम एटी अलाउ करे 2 प्लस इनपुट लगे करिया. एटी हार्ट टा होची कोन फाइनाइट cost and non finite ताको हमें bearing लगेले सेमती the gardener won't let is always followed by bare infinitive no, so only toss कले हमें सेमती they made me made टा होची कोन make करे सबले हमें bare infinitive यूज करन तेनु हमें कोन करले they made me do it. Okay, so then E, please remind dash he write the letter. So noun phrase टा की रहबो him करिबा please remind him to write the letter. कारण कहि दिली जोटी कामटा हेई नथिबो हबा पई थिबो सेरे में 2 + 1 करिबा आ जोटी काम हेई साची सूचना मिलचे अपन कामटा ऑलरेडी हेई साची एक्शन टा प्रोग्रेस हेईची तो सेरे में कोन करंदी आईएनजी फॉर्म करंदी प्लीज रिमाइंड हिम हमें कौन करना हिम टू राइट द लेटर. ठीक अछि तो माने हम तो लेटर टा लिखिया पई तो मने पके दबा और पूछे या. So this is activity 4 students. So then come to activity 5. Complete the following sentences using the non-finite verbs given in brackets. Some of these non-finite verbs may go with a noun phrase of your choice. So I mean to noun phrase हम देइची आमे एठी कोन करिबा आम चॉइस रे जोटी गोटे आवश्यकता अछि सेठी गोटे नाउन फ्रेज रो हेल्प नै कि आमे ताको कंप्लीट करि करिया. राइट, फर्स्ट the teacher doesn't let dash a noise in the class. वर्ब देइची ब्रैकेट रे make. ठीक अछि तो आमे एठी कोन करिबा ना टीचर पिला मानकु क्लास रे पार्टी मन करिया पे दियंदिनी एता त अर्थ तो हम जो मेक टा अछि कोनटा एटा को नॉन फाइनाइट फॉर्म ऊपर रखिबा तेनो गोटे काहर साहाय्य नबा एठी ना गोटे नाउन फ्रेज रो हम लिखि परिबा हम अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर ओन चॉइस. The teacher does not let the students make the noise. Make in the class. Okay. B, I would like dash my uncle. I would like to meet. Answer the left to meet. C, hot weather makes feel uncomfortable. Makes पर एवढे कौन गोटे नाउन फ्रेज हम गोटे यूज करे पड़ियो. Makes us लिख दियो बा people लिख दियो. Makes D, please remind dash Ashok tomorrow. Phone टा अछि हमको घर टा ब्रैकेट रे. So please remind me or him or any noun phrase you can use. So please remind me to phone. Me to phone. तो अब जातिर से निकले हम आंसर लिख देबा. Next, the film was very sad. It made us cry. और मी क्राई फिल्म एते थिला दुखर तुम कांदी पकेली એટલે મતે કોંદે દેલા એટલે मी कर दियो मी क्राई. सुने सर मारे डी प्लीज रिमाइंड ई एफ पैटर्न. Lata's parents have always encouraged her to study. Her to study. G, he would like to come to the party. Only to come. So this is the answers of activity 5 students. So let's come to activity with the 2 plus verb. or 5 plus verb or verb plus ing. Very interesting and very confusing also. See, non-finite, the use of non-finite, particularly bare infinitive or ing, 2 plus verb or bare infinitive, that makes sometimes confused, right, friends? But we have to know the use of there perfectly. Okay, so let's do activity 5. I enjoy dash on the river bank. I enjoy playing on the river bank. Answer to playing. কারণ এটি আপনি দেখিদেবা তার কেমিতি ব্যবহারটা হচ্ছে আই এনজয় কোন এনজয় করে তা প্লেইং অন দি রিভার ব্যাঙ্ক তার একটা অবজেক্টটা এটা অবজেক্ট কোশ্চেন হচ্ছে ওকে সেমনি বি হোয়ার ডু ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু গো সে I learned dash when I was 8 years old. তো পিলা মানে এই বাক্যটি ভালসে বুঝিবা I learned dash when I was 8 years old. ততে মতে 8 বর্ষ হইতিলা মু পহরা শিখিছি বা শিখিলি মানে পিলা মানে সে পহরিবাটা একচুয়ালি ହେଇଛି କି ନାହିଁ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସଟା একচুয়ালি ହେଇଛି ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ସେଠି କ'ଣ କରିବା verb plus ing I learned swimming. D. I am trying dash. Please stop dash. I am trying to study. ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି. Please stop talking. ତମେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ବନ୍ଦ କର. ତମେ ଦେଖ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତାଟା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସ ଥିଲା ଆକ୍ସନ ହଉଥିଲା ତେଣୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଏନଜି ଫର୍ମ କଲେ ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟଡିଟା ହେଇ ନାହିଁ ହବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛି ସେଟା ଆମେ 2 ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଭର କରିବା ରାଇଟ୍ ସୋ ଟୁ ଷ୍ଟଡି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା କିଏ ଟକିଂ E I don't mind dash by bus but I prefer dash by train. Very interesting. General preference ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି particular occasion ରେ preference ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ନା general preference ଟା ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ing form ୟୁଜ କରିବା ରାଇଟ୍ and particular occasion ଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଘଟଣାରେ ହୁଏ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା 2 plus infinity mind dash by bus ମାନେ ବସ୍ ରେ ଗଲେ ମତେ କିଛି ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରିବିନି ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ particular ଗୋଟେ ଘଟଣାରେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି but I prefer dash by train but I prefer this is indicates the general preference ତାର general preference ଲୋକ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ନା traveling by train right so सेकेंड में ट्रैवल एटा जनरल प्रेफरेंस को बुझाउची एटा ଗୋଟେ पर्टिकुलर ओकेजन रे बोलतो देखिबे बस रे जीवा पई पड़े यात्रा करे पड़े मु किछि माइंड करिविनी किंतु मोर जनरल प्रेफरेंस होची कोन ना ट्रेन ट्रैवलिंग राइट सो शी वुड नॉट लेट मी डैश द लेटर सो यू नो वेल लेट ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय बेयर इंफिनिटिव खाली हमें रीड कर दबा एठी she won't let me read the letter so goodbye I hope dash you soon goodbye I hope to see you so this is activity 6 friends then 7 list of sleep here he is very funny he makes me B. Please stay with me. I don't want you to go. To go. You want to go on a bicycle? No. Let's walk. Don't wake up tomorrow morning. Let me sleep some more time. Sleep. I hope I helped my brother dash his room, clean his room. F. talk quietly. I don't want anybody to hear. To G. We persuaded our teacher to come with us. H. I saw him dash over the wall. Climb. देखो पिला माने जो क्लाइंब आई सॉ हिम डैश ओवर द वॉल त माने से ओवर द वॉल अर्थ त क्लाइंबिंग एक्शन ता ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो जाई छी राइट से में हमें कोन गले बेयर इन्फिनिट गले जदि तर क्लाइंबिंग ता सॉरी न थांदा कंटिन्यू थांदा प्रोग्रेस थांदा हेडी हम कोन करथांदे ना आई एन फॉर्म करथांदे ओके सो देन कम टू एक्टिविटी 8 following sentences and the hints are given in the brackets. Write another sentence with a related meaning using the hints given. The first one has been done as an example. Please don't tell anyone that I have been punished. हम देखी कौन I not want anyone no ने मु punished हेची बोली तो अगर काहू कहनी तो मु चाहूनी कहीं मो पनिशमेंट पाइबा कथा कि जानू बोली ए ना कथा तो आम इसको केंद्र वाक्य लिखिबा ना आई लिखिले आई डोंट वांट एनीवन टू नो अबाउट इट सिमिलरली हमर लक्ष्य होची जे कोठी 2 प्लस वर्ब करिवा जे परिबो कोडे वेयर इन्फिनिटिव राइट स्टूडेंट्स आई वाज श्योर दैट अशोक वुड हेल्प मी आई हैड आस्क्ड हिम हेल्प मी मु श्योर थिली जे अशोक मते सहाय्य करियो बोली काहेकि मु तो आगु कहि दिली से मो सहाय्य करिया कथा तले कोन होबा आई हैड आस्क्ड हिम टू हेल्प मी एटा बी रो आंसर ता आई हैड आस्क्ड हिम टू हेल्प मी सी डोंट टच दैट वेयर द मैन सेड टू मी तले हम देख hints man told not to toss the man told me not to toss the wire the man told me not to toss the wire my father said that I could use his watch. Father allow use his watch. ताको दे हिंट्स दे तो हम एक सेंटेंस करिबा. Father allowed me to use his watch. Allowed me to use his watch. He told me that it would be good if I told the police about this accident. हम देइछ he advised report to the police. ताकू लगे हम वाक्यटे पढिबा. He advised me to report to the police. He advised me to report to the police. If there is a football match between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, तेज मुबाकरे you want East Bengal win. तमे East Bengal जितिया को चाहछो कि तमे कोन त लिखिबा do you want East Bengal to win? Do you want East Bengal to win? Brackets in the proper form by using plus verb, I plus verb or verb plus ing, whichever is appropriate. So first Answers A. When you see Mr. Dash, remember to give. B. I hate dash what I have been we have heard about you. I hate to repeat. C. I prefer dash alone. Being alone. देखो पिला माने এই টিকে প্রিফার র কথা কেমতি উঠছি I prefer being alone মানে জেনারেল প্রিফারেন্স तर मोर साधारणतः प्रिफरेंस टा कोन ना being alone so एकुडिया रहे पे मु लाइक करे मु प्रिफर करे एटा जनरल प्रिफरेंस कि तापर एक क्वेश्चन देछि I prefer dash silent in this case so this is a particular occasion so there is to remain right to remain I prefer to remain silent in this case this is indicates a particular occasion right students so এই ঘটনারে কিন্তু মু সাইলেন্ট রহে পে চাহিবি প্রিফার করিবি গোটে পার্টিকুলার ঘটনা ওকে সো ই I hate dash lies telling lies general preference F don't forget dash the letter don't forget to post the letter कारण एटा चिठीटा पके पई के भूलिबोनी त माने कामटा टी हेइनी सो 2 + verb to post G can you ever forget dash that important letter without any postage on it भल से बुझिबा टिके can you ever forget posting the important letter गुडी को without postage रे posting करिया कथा कोन मन पड़छि कि भूली जाउ छै एटा होछि कोन posting लेटा so students this is all based on non-finite verb forms and I hope you all must have understood it clearly and very much thank you for participating in the class. It is over for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.